As you can see, the SIRUI 35mm f1.8 1.33x anamorphic lens can be used with a full-frame sensor, but it causes heavy vignetting. Assuming that the pixel aspect ratio of the video clips recorded using this lens is set to 1.33 in the clip attributes. One of the solutions to fix this issue is to use the small APS-C sensor area of the full-frame camera to let the camera avoid vignetting. Or set the timeline resolution to 2740 by 1624 or a suitable resolution for your footage. This will trim away the vignette area of the footage, which may not be desirable in most situations, but worked for me as I am okay with this footage to be shown in 16:9 ratio. I implemented the timeline resolution approach in the rest of this video.